Hey, I'm Hannah and I'm from a human-centered design company called Bella Vista Studios. I am going to be talking about today our human-centered design for healthcare activities. There are 10 activities that you can undertake as a healthcare service to improve your service by empathizing with your patients, better understanding their needs, understanding their context, meeting their expectations. And it will enable you to apply human-centered design to your healthcare service. First of all, thank you for watching this video because it means that you are passionate about your work in the healthcare industry. You want to consider your patients more and you want to improve their experience. And I love that about you. What I'm going to be talking about today is the patient prompt. But before we get into that, you can get these 10 activities with instructions on how to complete each of these activities in your service by checking out the link below. So check it out, click, 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 and let's get into the patient prompt. So the patient prompt is about considering your patients before you make any decisions. So rather than just making decisions without considering them, which can have potential bad impacts on them, you really want to consider what the outcome will be for them or what their experience will be of that decision. So what you want to do is when you are making a decision, so this could be in a meeting with your colleagues, it could be an individual decision, you want to ask, how will this decision impact our patients? So for example, let's say you are redesigning your website and your team might have come up with this great idea that looks really cool and you're super excited about this website. But when you ask the question, how will this decision impact our patients? You might begin to realize, okay, will our patients know how to navigate the system? You might have older patients that may not use computers as much, and therefore they might get confused or not know like where to click things because it's always been a certain way. So this could potentially change the way that you design this new website or stop you from redesigning it at all. So that's just an example. So if the decision you realize negatively impacts your patient, try to think of other ways to do it so that it's a better experience for your patient. So that is our insight on patient prompts. Please just keep it front of mind. How will this impact my patient? Ask that in meetings, when you're making decisions. And if you do want to get the 10 activities and start applying them to your service, check out the link below. Thanks again for listening. Thanks for being passionate about the healthcare industry and wanting to make a difference. And thanks for tuning in.